Hello everyone, welcome back to our Power BI channel. So here we are covering visuals under this playlist. So in the previous tutorial guys, we have studied about this pie chart. I hope guys now you are clear with this pie chart. And now in today's tutorial guys, we will talk about the next visual of Power BI, which name is donut chart, which is very much similar like pie chart. So let's start the class guys, and let me give you brief knowledge about this donut chart. So guys, with the help of this donut chart, we can display the proportion of categorical data. And in generally guys, we will take only one category with one measurable value. But as per the requirement guys, we guys can take more than one category with more measurable value. And the last thing is that this chart is best to use when we have 4 or 5 distinct value in a column, just like a pie chart. So for an example, if we have a region column and this region column is a foreign key, so we can use this region column here in this donut chart, which is north, east, west and south. And now let's understand this donut chart with practical. So here is our donut chart page guys, and here you guys can see I have already taken this donut chart from this visualization pane. And now look at the parameter. So here we have legends, values, details and tooltips, which is exactly same like a pie chart. So guys, those who have not watched my previous video of pie chart, so I would request please go and watch this previous video of pie chart. So let's start with this legend parameter. So here under this legend parameter guys, we need to take any categorical data like country, product, region, state and so on. So let me expand this sales table guys, and I want to analyze country wise sales here. So I will select this country column and simply drag and drop here in this legend. And now in value parameter guys, we need to take any measurable value. So I want to compare sales. So I will simply take this total sales column and drag and drop here into this values. If you guys want to take any other measurable value, so you guys can take it. And now we guys can see our donut chart is ready with this country wise sale. And now let's understand this graph. So here in legend section guys, this yellow color written China contribution. So the total sales of China is 21,990, which is 32% of total sales. In a similar way guys, in Sri Lanka, India, USA and Japan. So here we guys can see this chart is exactly same like a pie chart, but there is only difference guys, which is in design. This middle space is empty, and here under this donut chart guys, rest portion is colored and it returning categorical data. So in this way guys, we can analyze country wise contribution with the help of this donut chart. And now let's talk about the next parameter of this donut chart, which is details. So if you guys want to see further analysis with this detail, so you guys can add any other category here for more classification. So I have already covered in this previous video of pie chart, but this is a separate video of donut chart guys. So I will cover all the parameters again. So this time guys, I also want to make this chart more classified. So I can take any of the category here from this sales table. So let's suppose guys, I am taking this region column. So simply select this column and drag here in this detail parameter. And now you guys can see the moment I drag this region column, then this chart is more classified with these white lines. And here you guys can also see the regions. So this small portion returning as South region sale, which is 5.48%. And this remaining portion is returning the West region sale in USA. And in a similar way guys, this portion returning North region sale in Sri Lanka, and this remaining portion returning East region sale. And in China region guys, we have made sales only in West region. That's why there is no more classification. In a similar way guys, in India, we have made sales only in East region. So I hope guys now you are clear with this donut chart. And now let's talk about one more thing about this donut chart. So guys, let's suppose you want to display product wise sale under this donut chart. So without creating a donut chart guys, you guys can easily display here in this product wise sale. So let me scroll up, and here you guys can see the legend. This time guys, I have taken only country field from this sales table. And now guys, I want to see product wise contribution. So what I'll do guys, I will simply select this product column and drag and drop here in this legend. So here you guys can see the moment I drag this product column here under this legend, few more options are appear here under this donut chart. But there is no impact here under this donut chart. It is still displaying country wise contribution. And let's suppose guys, I want to see product wise contribution. So what I need to do guys, I simply need to press this drill down button. So once I press this drill down button guys, so here you guys can see my chart has changed to product wise contribution with regions. If you guys want to remove the regions from the detail guys, so you simply go here and remove this region field from here. And now I can see product wise contribution. And let's suppose guys, if you want to check the total sales of milk product, so simply I will go here and hover my mouse here under this blue color. And here you can see the total sales of milk is 146594, which is 21.32% of total sales. And if you guys want to change this chart again into country wise sale, so you simply need to press this drill up button. So just click here and now you can see country wise sales again, which we have already covered under this pie chart. So guys, this drill down button or drill up button, you guys can use it from here as well. And rest features guys, you guys can explore yourself. And now let's talk about some formatting feature of this donut chart. So simply I will go here in this formatting pane. So guys, these formatting features are same like a pie chart, which is legend, slice, detail label and rotation. And I have already covered in the previous video of pie chart. So you guys can go there and watch that video. Or you guys can also explore by yourself to understand these formatting options. So I hope guys, now you have definitely enjoyed this video and cleared with all the feature of this donut chart. So for such kind of detailed learning guys, stay connected with us and kindly support this channel. And if anyone wants to learn free Power BI from scratch, so here we have this free YouTube channel guys, which name is Power BI Full Course by Shubham. And under this 50 tutorials guys, I have explained each and every concept in detail. And if you guys click on this playlist guys, so you can simply see multiple playlists are here. So with the help of this DAX expression playlist guys, you guys can learn DAX functions from scratch, where I have tried to cover each and every DAX functions in detail. And also we have one more playlist guys, which name is Power BI Updates, where you guys will get to see the latest updates about Power BI. So you don't require to go anywhere to see latest updates about Power BI. And with the help of this visualization playlist guys, I am also trying to cover all the Power BI visuals in detail. And those who are visit first time on this channel, kindly hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to press this bell icon guys, else you will miss an update. So stay connected with us for such kind of learning. And for the job seekers guys, we have this free Telegram group where I am keep posting latest Power BI jobs opening, as well as you will also find some latest interview question and answers which recently asked by an interviewer. So you don't need to pay anything to anyone for jobs and training. But if you still think guys you require paid training sessions, so I am also providing one-on-one paid training sessions. And from day one class guys, I prepare for you interview rounds with some scenario based questions and answers. So for paid training support or any other queries, you guys can connect me on LinkedIn or Telegram channel. Both the links are given under the description box. You guys can follow me there. Thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much.